The core idea. You rotate between Bitcoin, BTC, when the price is low, USDC, stablecoin, when the price is high. This lets you buy dips and sell pumps without ever withdrawing money. This is called a BTC, USDC swing strategy, and it's perfect for small accounts. Your 100 pounds BTC, USDC plan, simple, repeatable, beginner-friendly. Start with 100 pounds. Convert your 100 pounds into USDC on Coinbase. Why USDC? Because it's stable, 100 pounds stays 100 pounds until you decide to buy BTC. Starting with USDC. 2. Buy Bitcoin when it drops, your buy rule. You buy BTC when the price drops 5% or more from the recent level. Example. BTC was 40,000 pounds. It drops to 38,000 pounds, 5%. Buy BTC using 20 to 30 pounds of your USDC. Why this works? You're buying when the market is fearful, the best time. Buying during dips. 3. Sell Bitcoin into USDC when it rises, your sell rule. You sell BTC when the price rises 8% or more from your last buy. Example. You bought at 38,000 pounds. BTC rises to 41,000 pounds, plus 8%. Sell the BTC you bought back into USDC. Why this works? You're taking profit during strength, not waiting for the perfect top. Selling into strength. 4. Repeat the cycle. Every time BTC dips 5%, buy a little. Every time BTC pumps 8%, sell that portion. This is how you grow a small account without guessing. BTC, USDC rotation. Example using your 100 pounds. Let's say you start with 100 pounds USDC. Month 1. BTC dips, you buy 20 pound BTC. Month 2. BTC rises, you sell that BTC for 22 pounds. Profit, 2 pounds. Month 3. BTC dips again, buy 20 pound BTC. Month 4. BTC rises, sell for 23 pounds. Profit, 3 pounds. Month 5. BTC dips, buy 20 pound BTC. Month 6. BTC rises, sell for 24 pounds. Profit, 4 pounds. After 6 months, you've made 9 pound profit on tiny trades, and your 100 pounds is now 109 pounds. This is how small accounts grow. Small account compounding. Why this works even with 100 pounds. You avoid big losses. You only buy when BTC is cheaper. You only sell when BTC is higher. You keep your money safe in USDC between trades. You learn the market without stress. This is the safest way to trade Bitcoin without actually trading aggressively. Low-risk crypto strategy. Your Coinbase workflow, super simple, when BTC drops 5%. Tap buy, choose Bitcoin, spend 10 to 30 pounds. When BTC rises 8%. Tap sell, convert BTC back to USDC. Repeat. Watch your USDC balance slowly grow. Phone-only crypto workflow.